quick brunch with Iamgiftofgab.
Over, and I've been seeing these cocktail weenies. I believe they bake them for like a baby shower.
Add these
So I
ingredients.
decided to make some, and this is the video where I make them for you guys. So don't forget to like and comment and share this to your friends. But anyways, you got barbecue sauce, grape jelly, minced garlic, brown sugar, butter. I didn't add ketchup, but you can add ketchup if you want to. And I stir that thing up like that a bit. Okay. I cooked all my meat first. Look at yeah, you see that right there? Cooking them cocktail wings. Oh, them Swedish meatballs. I didn't feel like making them the homemade way, so I made them. Then I made some croissants, because I gotta have bread with everything. Shake the meatballs up like that. For the cocktails, I'm pouring them in the sauce that I made. Right there. Put them things up in there, yeah. I didn't make a lot because it's not for a lot of people. It's just something for me and the family to eat. And they barely eat. They eat like birds, so. Yeah, we're going to stir them. Add both of your meats in there in the sauce, and you stir it up. And thank you guys for watching my video. Oh, I made some cheese eggs too. Yes, the croissants, boom.